authoritative documentary. A civilization of immense history and culture, yet one that experienced periods decline and isolation. But in a relatively short span, a transformation has occurred unlike anything the world has ever seen. China was back with an economic miracle. Decades of reform and opening up unleashed an unparalleled surge in growth. From a largely agrarian society, China rapidly industrialized, becoming the world's factory. Millions were lifted out of poverty, and a new global economic powerhouse emerged. The breadth was involved extend far beyond manufacturing. Today, it is a leader in innovation and a titan in technology. From artificial intelligence to quantum computing, 5G networks to renewable energy, China is not just catching up, but often setting the pace. This technological prowess fuels its economic engine and enhances its global influence. With economic might comes geopolitical ambition. The Belt and Road Initiative, a monumental infrastructure project, aims to connect China with Asia, Africa, and Europe, reimagining ancient trade routes. While proponents highlight development and connectivity, critics raise concerns about debt traps and strategic influence. Then, accompanying its economic and diplomatic ascent is a rapidly modernizing military. China's People's Liberation Army is transforming into a formidable force, projecting power further and further from its shores, particularly in the South China Sea. This expansion naturally creates new dynamics and tensions in global security. Well, beyond economics and military might, China's rise also presents a challenge to the prevailing global order, rooted in liberal democratic values. China offers an alternative model of state-led development and governance, one that emphasizes stability and collective progress, but often at the cost of individual freedoms and human rights. This ideological divergence shapes global debates on everything from trade to human rights. Concluding dramatic, the world is now grappling with how to respond to this ascendant China. Some nations seek cooperation on shared challenges like climate change and pandemics. Others view China's rise with apprehension, seeing it as a strategic competitor or even an adversary. The future of the international order will undoubtedly be shaped by this evolving relationship.